Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, on how to make an international transfer from Santander Spain. This allows you to send money abroad quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open the Santander Spain app or sign in through the online banking platform. Next, go to the transfers or payment section. Then, choose international transfer. Now, enter the recipient's details, including their name, IBAN or account number, and the SWIFT or BIC code of their bank. After that, type in the amount you want to send, select the currency, and carefully review the fees and exchange rate. Once everything is correct, confirm the transfer using your security method, such as a digital signature, token, or SMS code. Finally, Santander will process your request, and the money will arrive in the recipient's account within the estimated time frame provided. That's it. Sending an international transfer from Santander Spain is straightforward and secure when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.